In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube banner to your channel. First of all, open your YouTube application. Once it's open, you click on your profile here on the right bottom corner. Then you click on your channel name up here. Then you click on this pencil icon by the side here. Here you can see all the editors here. You can make all the necessary changes you want to your channel, like your name, your handle, add description to your channel. So to upload banner to your YouTube, you click on this camera icon here. So it will ask you to take a photo or choose from your photo. So if you want to take a photo, you click on this first one, but if you want to choose from your photos, the one you've already created, you click on this choose photo. It will direct you to your gallery. There you can import any photo you want. I'm just going to click on this one here. Then you click save. The YouTube banner has been uploaded, so you can see it right here. So this is how to go about it. If you find this video helpful and you want more of this video, please do well to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video.